Say for example, you have only a small size ink cap and you're using a magnum, something like this. This is a 15 magnum tip. This doesn't fit. You cannot use this with this. You cannot use a 15 or a larger size magnum tip in a small size ink cap. So you need a medium or a large size ink cap. Say for example, you're running out of these ink caps. What do you do then? Here's a nice trick what you can do. This is what the plastic tips come in. Don't throw away this. Take off this part. It's a sterile package, so it's clean, but you can just give it a rinse. Keep it like this, tape it down, and you can pour your ink over here, and you can just dip your magnum tip in this and use it. So hope you have learned something new.